guys, so today I will be working with the Gorgius wigs. They sent me over this 10-inch curly shag wig. The link to this unit will be in the description box below. I fell in love, y'all. Like, what is there not to love about this unit? It's so natural looking, and you can pop it on and pop it off. You can get up and you can go. This is like the quickest install I've done on my channel. I'm in love. Like, what else is there to say? Like, I'm so shocked at how natural looking it is. Lost for words. Like, you can't tell me this is not my hair. Ray, is that your hair? This is my hair. Like, in the video, when you see me install it, I'm kind of skeptical. It's really like a trust the process type of thing. So when you tweak the curls, you know, you define the curls, you get the shape that you want, you start diffusing the curls, you'll fall in love. Quickest install ever, y'all. Y'all can literally get up and go. Wake up, pop it on, and go. When you go to sleep, take it off, wake up, put it back on. Like, if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching.
That was cool. Turn it up a little bit. Yeah.
Hey.
Baby, stay up and them nah stay up. Fix things, quick things, looping. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Not like ease out.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.